How to change description in Roblox. First of all, open the Roblox app and log into your account if you are not already logged in. Next, tap on the three-dot menu at the bottom right of the screen to open the More section. Then, tap on your profile picture or icon to go to your profile page. Here, you will see your current description. Now, tap on Edit Profile above the description area. This will open the section where you can type a new description. In the About section, tap on the pencil icon to change your description. Type in whatever you want your new description to be. You can write about your interest, your favorite games, or anything else you'd like to share. Keep in mind that there is a character limit, so try to keep your message short and clear. After writing your new description, tap Save. Your profile will refresh and your updated description will now appear on your profile page. And that's it. Now you know how to change description in Roblox. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.